This is K.Naga Suresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Aditya University. Today we are going to learn about projections of lines in engineering graphics. This is the learning outcomes. Draw the projections of a lines in different positions by using AutoCAD and solve the simple problem related to the projections of lines. So first of all, what is the meaning of projections of lines? Projections of lines or straight lines is the method of representing the position of a line in space with respect to the principal planes of projection. That is, there is a different types of planes are available, that is horizontal plane, vertical plane, or any side plane or profile plane by drawing its front view or top view or side view. So this is nothing but projections of lines. Here this is the simple problem related to the projections of lines. Draw the projections of the straight lines in the below mentioned position. So here they are given three conditions, 1, 2, 3. First condition is 75 mm long line perpendicular to HP and 20 mm in front of VP, and its one end 15 mm above the HP. And second one is 75 mm long line perpendicular to VP, 25 mm above the HP, and its one end in the VP. And third condition is 75 mm long line perpendicular to HP in the VP, its one end in the HP. So these are belongs to three points. So here three positions, and here all they are given commonly perpendicular point they are mentioned, perpendicular term. The perpendicular term means the line is inclined to one plane and parallel to another plane. That means if the line is in perpendicular to HP, so that means indirectly that is parallel to VP. If the line is in perpendicular to VP, that is parallel to HP. Yes, so that is nothing but perpendicular to one plane, parallel to another plane condition they are given in three terms. So here first condition, so here the 75 mm long line perpendicular to HP, 20 mm in front of VP. So this is the first condition. So this is vertical plane and this is horizontal plane. This is HP and this is VP. They are given 75 mm long line perpendicular to HP. So HP, it is there in perpendicular to HP, that means parallel to VP. So that is belongs to A and B. Okay, so the 75 mm long line perpendicular to HP, 20 mm in front of VP. That means from here to here distance is 20 mm. So this 20 mm will observe in top view only. Okay, so perpendicular to HP and 20 mm in front of VP, its one end 15 mm above HP. One end means A. This A is 15 mm above HP. Yes, when you see the front view, it is appear like a true shape, that is line. It will appear like a vertical line. Yes, and when you see the top view, the line will be appear like a point. Yes, so this answer is, so front view is came above the XY line, that means draw the one vertical line. Yes, so here this distance is 15, A dash, B dash, and when you see the top view, it is appear like a point. That means, so this is the point, this is A comma B and this is 20. Yes, so this is the answer for the first point. And second point, the line 75 mm long line perpendicular to VP. So this is HP, VP. Okay, this is HP and this is VP. Yes, a 75 mm long line perpendicular to VP. So perpendicular to VP means line is like this. Yes, So this angle is 90 degrees. Yes, perpendicular to VP 25 mm above the HP. This distance is 25 mm. Yes, and it's one end in the VP. So one end means this is A and this is B. So one end means B. The B is in VP. So when you see the front view, it is appear like a point. Yes. So how it is visible in front view, top view? Front view, it is visible like the point. Yes. This distance is 25 A dash and B dash. Next one. So in top view, it is appear like a line. Yes. So one end, that means B is directly touching with the reference line. So this is B and this is A 75 mm. So this is the answer. So third one, 75 mm long line perpendicular to HP means, in third condition perpendicular to HP means, so this is the perpendicular to HP, it's one, and in the VP it's one end in the HP. So it is appear like this. So in top view it is directly coming on the reference line. So this is A dash, B dash, and this is A comma B, and this is 75 mm long line. This is belongs to third one and this is belongs to second one. This is the answer. How it will be draw in the AutoCAD we will discuss now. So this is the AutoCAD interface and this is the problem. So same problem I copied here. So we'll start the problem now. So first, before starting off any problem, you must do some screen settings, that is units you are fixed, that is millimeters, and limits you are fixed. So limits LIMITS, enter, 0, 0, enter. So you can give A4 size sheet or A2 size sheet dimension and press enter. So before going to start any problem, you have to do some screen settings. Let's start the answer, how it will be drawn in the AutoCAD. So first take the line command. It is directly available in the draw toolbar. Take the line command. So make sure switch on the ortho mode. Okay, and take the empty, that is called multi-text. Take any reference line. So size of the letter is nearer to the 8, and copy this letter and copy in the both reference lines endpoints. Yes, and this is the line. So first term 75 mm long line perpendicular to HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Take the line command. Okay, and the projection front view, so it is appear like a line. So above HP 15 mm, 15, and again 75. Yes, so this is give some thickness PE, that is called poly edit, enter, select the line, enter. So width 1. Yes, so you can give the width of the line. Yes, so if it is not sufficient, you can increase the width 2. So this is the line. So and copy the letter and place it here. So this is B dash and this is A dash. And take the dimension from here to 15. So if the dimension letter is very small, go to the D, enter, dimension style manager, modify. Okay, and here the symbols and arrow size is 4 and text height is also 4 and click OK and close. Yes, the dimension size is increase. Okay, then top view it is appear like a point. So take the one projection line from here to reference line to below 20. Yes, so in top view it is appear like a point. Go to the do not. The command is do not, do enter. It will ask specify inside diameter 0, enter. Specify outside diameter 2, enter. It is appear like a point. After completion of that, copy any letter from here to here for mentioning the top view points. Yes, so here in top view it is appear like a point. We will mention a comma b. Yes, so here when you see the top view, the b is appear, a is in below. So if the below points you are unable to see the below points, the above point you can able to see, but bottom point you are unable to see. So the a we are unable to see, put the bracket. Yes, so this is the first one answer. And second one, what they are given, a 75 mm long line perpendicular to VP, 25 mm above HP. Yes, and it's one end in the VP. So this is the second one answer. So take the line command. This is perpendicular to VP. Yes, so when you see the top view, it is appear like a point. It is appear like a line. So take the line command. And leave some space and draw the top view. The line length is 75. Yes, after that give some thickness, PE, enter, select the line, enter, width 2. Yes, after completion of that, give the mention the name of the letter. This is A and B. Okay, and this is A and this is B. Yes, so after that, when you see the top view, it is appear like a line. In front view, the above the HP 25 mm. So take the projection line from here to here 25 and go to the do not, do, enter. Specify enter inside diameter 0, enter 2, enter. So this is the, it is appear like a point here. Yes, so after that give the notation, take the any letter and copy here. Okay, when you see the front view, the A is appear, A dash is appear, and B dash is back side of the line. Yes, so this is the second one. Yes, so next one, third one. The third one is 75 mm long line perpendicular to HP, and in the VP it's one end in the HP. So take the line command and draw the third one. Perpendicular to HP means this is 75. Yes, and PE, enter, select the object, width 2 and copy any letter. So this is front view. Okay, in front view this is B dash and this is A dash. Okay, and next one, in top view it is appear like a point. Take the donut do, enter, specify inside diameter 0, enter, outside diameter 4, enter. You have to specify here and copy any letter and place it here. In top view it appear like a point. Okay, so when you see the top view, the B is appear, A is bottom side, it is not appear. So this is B and this is A. So this is the third point. Yes, after completion of that, give the line dimension 75. Okay, and here also 75. This is also 75, and this distance also you have to mention 25. So this is the answer for the entire these 3 points. So this is the first point and this is the second point and this is the third point. Yes, so in 3 conditions the line is in perpendicular to one plane and parallel to another plane. Yes, today we are discussing draw the projections of the line in different positions by using AutoCAD and simple problem related to the projection of lines. Thank you everyone.